and this is take 2 of Fly the F100 in the snow, and we got to get this going. I don't want snow accumulating on it, so we're going to put the hat cam on. We're going to get the GoPro going, start recording. Freaking wind almost blew it out of my hands, man. This wind is ridiculous. I don't even know how strong it is. I didn't look up. I kind of just wanted to come right out. Here we go. Here's a look at the drone. We're gonna fly into it. So I'm getting snow in my eyes, man. So I had this out earlier on an older battery, and immediately I got a low voltage warning. So this is the stock battery on the stock charger. It just came off it. So we'll see if we get the same low voltage warning. I think my hat cam just said low voltage, which isn't cool. Here we go. Here we go. I'm trying to get you a good shot of this, but the wind's not helping. There's a nice shot of it. Woo! Not taking my head off.